In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eBay store name, especially if you're just starting out. Now, I know navigating eBay settings can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step and ensure everything is as clear as possible. To begin with, it's important to understand that you can't directly edit the name of your eBay store once it's set up. Instead, what you'll actually need to do is change your store subscription. By selecting a new subscription, you can then opt for a store name of your choice. Let's dive into how you can do that. First, you'll need to head over to the eBay Store subscription page. To get there, log into your eBay account and navigate to the My eBay tab. From there, look for Selling and then click on Store. This will take you to the subscription page where you can browse through the different options available: Basic, Premium, or Anchor. Each of these comes with its own set of features and pricing, so consider what best fits your needs and your budget as you make your choice. Once you've decided on the type of subscription you'd like, be it Basic, Premium, or Anchor, it's time to review the details of your selection. Double check everything to ensure it aligns with what you're looking for, especially in terms of the features and costs involved. The next step involves choosing your subscription term, which can either be monthly or yearly. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter a new name for your store. This is your opportunity to create a name that resonates with your brand or the products you offer. Take your time to think about this if needed. Remember, a compelling store name can attract more customers and leave a lasting impression. Once you've entered your new store name, proceed by submitting the order. This involves completing the purchase of the new subscription that includes the name you've just decided upon. Make sure all the payment details are correct before finalizing the transaction. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully change your eBay store name by selecting a new subscription with your desired name. This approach might initially seem like a roundabout way to change your store name, but it's effective and allows you greater flexibility in managing your online presence on eBay. I hope this tutorial was helpful in demystifying how to change your store name. If you found value in this guide, be sure to stick around for more beginner-friendly tips and tricks on managing your eBay store effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!